What's up guys, Jesse Drives here and I'm back and I'm better with another video. And today I'm going to be plasti dipping my rear bumper and my front bumper for y'all today. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I wiped it down already. I'm gonna go ahead and take things off and get it ready to get it wiped down with alcohol swabs. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, I've gone ahead and masked everything off. It's not the prettiest job, but now I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with some alcohol swabs, and then it'll be ready to start plasti dipping. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we switched places. I came to my friend's house because it was too windy and this kept on blowing around. I didn't want as much overspray with the wind, so let's go ahead and get started on plasti dipping, and let's do it. Alright guys, so we've already put on about 5 or 6 coats. I'm gonna go ahead and put about another 5 or 6 coats just because of how big it is. So I'll go ahead and check in with y'all. I'll maybe skip a few coats just because I don't think y'all need to see me spray it over and over and over again. But stay tuned. What's up guys, so I already put on about 8 or 9 coats, and it's almost done. I just need about another coat or 2, and then the project will be finished. So let me go ahead and add those other 2 coats, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we just went ahead and finished up the last coat. So now what we're going to start to do is peel up the overspray, and then we'll be finished. We can scrub off whatever overspray that we can't peel off, and that'll be it. Alright, I've gone ahead and I've peeled everything off. All there is to do is scrub off any of the overspray, and then it'll be done. All you need for that is a towel with some water, maybe some nail polish remover, and it just comes right up. Let me go ahead and finish this and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and I've wiped off all the excess overspray, and here's the finished product. And if y'all do see some up spots like over here, it's just like I have concrete on my bumper and you can't take it off, so that's why they're there. But for the most part, it came out pretty clean. Just a few dents here and there that you can see, but other than that, come on. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. It looks really clean, so much better than before. You can see the little complements between them too, the emblems and the bumper. Yeah guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you.